I got everything that I'm going to use right here. My pliers, my cutters, wire cutters. I'm going to use to cut this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of the yellow ones off and some of the white ones off and add them to each other. That way I'll have 2 strands of yellow and white instead of just 1 strand of white, 1 strand of yellow. And I've done one here, as you can see. I've added the white to the yellow. And I thought I put one. Oh, I did. No, I did. I thought I would put one on the white, but I didn't. All right, that's what we're gonna do. All right, so I've added yellow to the white and white to the yellow. I just randomly did it on each piece. I might have more on one than the other, and that's fine. It's just I wanted to mix the colors in to make sure that I had the same colors in both of them. So what I'm gonna do is put one aside and take one of them and just put it around my A. These are gonna go on my door. And to attach it to my A, I'm gonna use some zip ties. Because my A is white, I'm gonna use white zip ties. Not the short ones, that have a little bit more of a length to it than that, so to go around the pole. And they're down there. There we go. So I'm gonna use my white zip ties and attach it. I want some of it to hang down, so I'm gonna let it just sort of curl around that part of the A. And I'm gonna attach it with my zip ties all the way around. Take it up under my flowers. Put it just on the vine itself. And I'm gonna take and also put my end inside of the letter. I don't want it on the top and I don't want it on the back. So I put it inside the letter here, and when I get it the tightness that I want it, then I'll cut it from there so that it's pointing towards the inside and I don't have a nasty little tab on it. Okay? And I'll go around my A and attach my flowers. Here. You want to form it and fix it as you're putting it on here, because you want your flowers to be facing out. So twist them around and line them up so they're facing out and around your letter. And I've got a fancy A here, so I could probably do all kinds of little things around the little extra fancy parts of it. But what I want to do is just sort of put it on the main part of my A. When I put it on the main part of my A, so it outlines my A. And when you see it from the road, you'll know that it is a A and not anything else. Still want it to be an A. Okay? All right, so let's go through all of these and do it that way. All right, last little piece. I had to get my pliers out. Make sure they were tight. I have to use my pliers, get them real tight. There we go. Cut that end off. So let's take these and put them on the door and see how they look. Oops, one more thing. I need to put something right across here. Need a wider. Here we go. Flower across the middle there. So they know it's an A. Let's do it this way. Excuse the garage sound. Again, that's my husband going out in the yard and getting no further than the garage. All right. Got that one tight. Cut this off. There we go. All right, let's put it on the door. Okay, here are my A's on the outside of the house on my door. And that looks springy, doesn't it? It looks really nice. So let's go to the next project. We're gonna do a wreath for my mother's door, and then we'll show you that.